A is for alligator with a big wide grin. B is for bear with a fuzzy chin. C is for cat who purrs all day. D is for dolphin splashing in the bay. Come sing the alphabet with me from A, Z, just follow me. E is for elephant with a trunk so long. F is for frog hopping all day long. G is for giraffe so tall and neat. H is for hippo with big heavy feet. Come sing the alphabet with me from A, Z, just follow me. I is for iguana with scales so green. J is for jaguar quick and lean. K is for kangaroo with a pouch for play. L is for lion who roars all day. Come sing the alphabet with me from A, Z, just follow me. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for narwhal, swimming through the seas. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Come sing the alphabet with me from A, Z, just follow me. Q is for quail, with feathers so fine. R is for rabbit, hopping in a line. S is for snake, slithering in the sand. T is for tiger, the fiercest in the land. Come sing the alphabet with me from A, Z, just follow me. U is for urchin, with spine so bright. V is for vulture, soaring out of sight. W is for whale, the largest in the sea. X is for x-ray tetra, swimming happily. Come sing the alphabet with me from A, Z, just follow me. Y is for yak, with a woolly coat. Z is for zebra with stripes on his coat. You sung the alphabet with me from A, Z, you're follow me. Let's do it again.